it's our first meeting. We can introduce ourselves. Let's start. I'm Walid Hussain. I'm from Bangladesh. Also, I'm an English
Oh,
learner and I'm making English conversational videos with foreigner like you. So it's very helpful for my
okay.
improve my English.
I can teach you a Filipino language.
Really?
Yes.
I know some Filipino word because I have so many friends there from Philippines. I know the word kamusta ka.
Wow. You know the word kamusta ka?
Yeah, I know that word.
Okay. Do you have some Filipino meat before?
Yeah, I have some friends.
Oh.
So can you introduce yourself? What is your name? Where are you
Um,
from? And what do you do?
I'm I'm Lynn Bal. I'm from Philippines, Manila. I'm a student.
I have some friend there from Manila. So it's a beautiful place because every year lot of people are coming there for visiting.
First,
Tourist, yeah.
uh,
Tell
wait,
me
I will.
something about you. What's your biggest dream?
My biggest dream, I'm future.
Don't be shy.
I'm becoming army, a military,
You want to be a
and
military, I mean army.
yes,
That's great.
future in the future.
Yeah, in future. How many family? I mean, how many members in your family?
Oh, I'm the youngest in my family. I am only one child,
Oh, that's great. You are very lucky.
but I have a another siblings that in my father's side, a step brother.
Stepbrother.
Yes.
Oh, your father got two married? I mean, your father
Um.
have two wife?
No. Yes.
Okay.
But I can't remember why they are separated.
Okay.
I can't remember why they are not. I asked them why, but they can't say to me why
Okay.
they are separated.
Okay. They are not inform you why they are separated. What is the reason? You want to know the
Yes,
reason, right?
ask them soon, but if they can say to me, then it's okay.
Okay, forget it.
It's okay if
You live
they can say to me.
you live with your mother or father?
Grandmother.
Grandmother.
Yes.
Okay.
My mother's mother.
Who give you money? Your father or mother?
None of them. My uncle.
Oh, your uncle.
Yes.
So why not they give you money? I mean, you are a girl, you have to need money for surviving.
I don't know, but I can afford money and I will work hard to get money by myself.
You earn money?
Yes, my own money.
So okay, what are you doing?
I have. I'm like live streaming. I'm selling dress, clothes.
You're doing business.
No, my aunt business.
Oh, your uncle business. But
Yes.
you selling the product,
Yes.
especially
Yes.
cloth. Okay.
My second work is work to wait. What? I'm working with a restaurant.
Oh, you also work in a restaurant.
Yes. I'm live stream. I will live stream in afternoon, and I work from restaurant in the morning. I'm going to ask you.
Mm-hmm, okay.
Are you new in this big account
Yeah, I'm
apps?
new. And I'm not a host. I'm
Um,
only living, I mean streaming for improve my English. I'm English learner. And I make some
oh,
videos like conversational videos and I have a YouTube and Facebook.
oh.